I welcome all my viewers, loving persons, those who are with me connected since last 1 year, 1.5 year. And today is the 49th national webinar. We are going to start, the title being Rovering and Rangering, Step to be an Active Citizen. ଆଜିର ଏ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ମୁଁ Assistant State Commissioner Guide, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guide, and also the Ranger Leader come lecturer of Maharshi College of Natural Law. Welcome all of you to this Google board. And in particular, I now welcome our most attraction of today's evening, the chief speaker of this evening, to Mr. Bhavani Kumar Raju, the oldest scout. Once a scout is always a scout. So he is the retired OPS, Government of Odisha, and we are very happy to listen from him. So I won't say anything more about him. I only say when I was a kid of 1.5 months, at that time, he received the Rashtrapati Award. Can you believe? 1968. He received the President Scout Award, the highest award of scouting. He received from the then President of India. So it's a pleasure for me to get such a personality with us who is a scout. So for a scout, nothing more to add. As all of us know, scouting starts with the age of 6+ when we are a cop, and it ends with at the age of 25. Afterwards, we can be a senior, a unit leader or adult leader, and we can continue till our death. So there are certain gaps between the life of the college-going youth, and they look for activities beyond the ken of their college and home. So what is that? This is the areas are to be addressed by the rovers and rangers. So what is more I want to say, this is the time when Sonali. So this is the areas are to be addressed, and rovering and rangering. This develops a sense of adventure and exploration, instill the motivation to discover, to want to know. They are encouraged to discover the world beyond the classroom, tapping the skills of others to learn and thereby becoming a holistic person. So Rover Ranger is a program for adults aged between 16+ to nowadays 16+ to 26, and designed to emphasize the enjoyment of the outdoor service project and personal development. So they are organized in small groups. As all of you know, they are called as Rover Crew and Ranger Team. So this program is launched in the year 1907, and rovering has grown up to be a unique worldwide youth movement. It helps youth to adapt to any hardship and advertisement. So today there are more than 60 million members, both boys and girls. It is open to all, irrespective of our race, creed, and religion. So in accordance with the purpose, principle, and methods which is laid down by the founder Lord Baden-Powell in 1907. Then it is, as we all know, it is fun with a purpose. Through recreation, rovering achieves its purpose by helping young people develop physically, intellectually, socially, and leaders developing some youth also. They are building confidence and self-esteem and leadership skills, team building, outdoor adventure, education, and fun. Rovers learn how to take responsibility for their action so that they are prepared for their adult life as an independent person. So I wind up my welcome speech here with a small thing. I want to say the wordings of Lord Baden-Powell, as all of us know, ambition to do the right is the only ambition that counts. So let's listen from our very, very respectful personal, the guest of today's evening, Mr. Bhavani Kumar Raju, who will speak to us about scouting and what was scouting at that time and what is scouting nowadays and what will be our future if we want to be a future active and participating citizen. So he said that Rover rangering, it is the steps. It is the only step to be an active and participating citizen. Not only is the steps to be a citizen, but also an active and participating. So when we'll be active and when we'll be participating, let us listen from him. So I won't take much of your time. Now I request Bhavani Bhai to speak to all of us and enlighten what is rovering and what is scouting. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Namita.
Yes, sir.
Very good evening to all the participants of this webinar. I'm really applaud to receive such a welcome to speak to the new generation who are making their mind to be the real citizens of the nation, India.
Yes.
I hope my experiences with scouting will tell you much about the shape that we were in and the way you are progressing in. There is much difference. I was a Boy Scout right from 1961, being a student of Alfred James Ullenbach High School at Fulbani. We didn't know much about scouting then. My father, who used to be a scout also of Parala Khemandi MKCG school and was also a Boy Scout of an English medium school at Kolkata, he encouraged me then to be a scout. The reason being that it will mend you, it will train you, it will steer you in such a magnificent way to be self-dependent. And you can just make out your own theories into practice and become a nice citizen the nation wishes to have. This summer vacation was a long vacation for us then. It was 2 months. So the Indian government thought of dispersing their students so that they won't get together to make any violence which was prevailing then. In the post-independence era, many of the youth were simply misutilizing their physical force and were participating in strikes, revolts, and violences, which was not the need of the nation. We were making the nation. So scouting was a medium. NCC came later. And people were not that interested in sports then. So scouting crept up slowly, very slowly. We had to purchase each and every item of our uniform, even to the extent of the proficiency badge, which was costing only 30 paisa then. We had tenderfoot, the second class, first class, jungle golf, and then the prison scout. And the going through all these needed to be screened by the circle inspector of schools and the commissioner of the state. So we were rushing to Cuttack now and then to have a proficiency-based test. Right from cycling up to scholar, pioneering up to starman. All these things were actually very, very difficult then. But when you have dedication, determination, the discipline in you, it is not impossible for any of you. When you have joined this movement, I should say movement because it's a movement to inculcate the real Indian culture in you, the stamina in you, the endurance in you, and the adventure in you. You will certainly enjoy it. In my time, there were hardly 3 Rover Scouts in the state. 2 of them were from the medical college, Cuttack, and one was from outside. There was no ranger. We were getting together in the state rallies and the national jamborees. My experiences goes like this. When I was a kid of class 8 only, I attended the second state rally here as a Boy Scout in Bhubaneswar and had attended the 4th National Jamboree at Lucknow. The first state rally was at Chaudhar.
Yes.
The get-together was very meager, very small, yet we were enjoying each moment. We had to just cook our own food. We had to make our own tentage. And when the rain used to come, as it happened in Puri
Mhm.
in 1970, I was then out of Boy Scouting, but I was just a volunteer as a rover. So I had my tentage on a tree, which was attracting people. I had pioneered everything. The stand I used to keep my utensils. I used to just make lot of gadgets with the staff and rope then, which I had learned from the Wild Jamboree I had attended back in 1967 in USA. And that made me, with my friend Mr. Samuel Naik, to ramble about across the nation. Of course, we didn't cover Jammu and Kashmir and the then Union territories in the east, but we had covered almost all the states then on very normal bicycles. It was hazardous, but it was adventurous. Wherever we used to go, we used to just get a wonderful reception, and people allowed us to talk about our experiences. Not many times we have faced robbers and scoundrels, yet our humble approach to them used to mold them and they used to cooperate us. The heat of Madhya Pradesh, the scorching sun of Bihar had almost burnt our skin, yet we could make it in 1 year, 1 month, and 5 days. So these are all my experiences. We used to go to the forest, collect the bark, the leaves, the flowers, and the fruits to get only a 30 paisa worth forester proficiency badge. We used to camp out of home for 3 nights consecutively, making our own tentage, making our own shelter, cooking, etc., etc. There was a charm, and my parents used to encourage me for that. They never bothered that how I you thrive or I will sustain any kind of injuries or anything. The first aid which I had learned during my Boy Scouting helped me a lot to save many lives during my police career as well as my career in the Indian Army for a few years. that had actually taught me how to just use sprinters, check the profuse bleeding of a person, and carry an injured person using simply improvise things whichever I had, or with the help of other people, I used to just collect. The signaling, either it was Morse or semaphore, we used to just do it from building to building, which was helping us to just pass on the information which is to pass. So these things will certainly make you self-responsible. When we say I, we don't analyze the self. We always used to boast with our ego, but that won't help you, my brothers and sisters. Actually, you are to give away volunteer. Scouting, whether roving or rangering, teaches you, guides you all these things, instructs you all these things. How to prepare yourself for the service of others. When you learn this, you will enjoy the service. So during all my career, besides the rewards, awards, and all these certificates and praises and all these things, I put those aside. The first thing you should keep in your mind that your service should not be valued. Service is service. You are doing it voluntarily, against no payment. Never expect it. Now things have changed a lot. As I used to discuss with Nami more often, she used to tell me the progresses. People from other fields have just come into scouting now and making a lot of changes. And the government is also helping. So with all this, I hope you people will make our dreams true. I'm already 70 years old. So what best I can hope from you? Only our dreams. You make it true. Thank you all. Good luck.
Bhavani, please share your experience in World Jamboree in USA, and they will ask some question to you regarding that.
Well,
When you attend,
my-
how you have
okay.
gone through, and what are the
I-
steps you have gone there.
Okay,
Okay.
I am not from a very rich family. Neither I was very rich. It was only 1,000 US dollars then, which was in terms of Indian currency, it was only 7,500 rupees then.
At that time. At that time.
Yes. Yes. And for the students, it was 7,500 going and flying back. But my American friends, one of them was Mr. Kenneth Doyle Perdue. He was from Baytown, Texas, USA, was an Eagle Scout. But fortunately, he was a Peace Corps volunteer posted to Fulbani, where I was a student. He used to imbibe all these knowledges in us, and he was very much interested to develop this scouting, for which he was a lone scout master for the state. We had contributed many books on scouting then. So he made the arrangement for me to just attend the World Jamboree. Santa Cruz was a dream for us, and flying abroad was also a dream for me.
Exactly.
But he made it possible. He got the tickets made all the arrangements so that I can visit all the scout offices in the countries that I will be through. So from Santa Cruz to Tel Aviv, Tehran to Tel Aviv to Greece, Athens, then to Rome, then to Zurich, then Paris, London, New York, and there were other friends to receive me. From there, we had to go to Idaho. The World Jamboree was a get-together of the scouts and guides from different countries, except the pioneers from USSR.
Yes.
There were volunteers, there were scouts and guides from many nations. We spent there wonderful time watching others, meeting others, attending all the cultural functions only for 19 days. And then after Mr. J.F. Kennedy, Mr.
Kennedy
Johnson was the president.
Yeah.
After Mr. Kennedy was shot to death, Mr. Lyndon B. Johnson was the president who attended that jamboree. So you can well imagine the US president used to attend a gathering of scouts and guides. You can just imagine the arrangements and the discipline maintained over there so that the CIA won't suspect when the president used to visit there. So after a stay there, I make around the globe, from there to San Francisco, from there to Tokyo, from Tokyo to Hong Kong, Bangkok, then to Kolkata. So this was a around the globe trip. So during my visit to the nations, I used to get transport arranged for me from the airport to the scout office only. I used to go to the scout office, visit the scout office, and in few countries I had faced bit of trouble so far the language is concerned.
Yeah.
Like Italy,
Yeah.
Switzerland,
Mm.
and Greece. There was some inconvenience, but simply you show them three fingers, the people will recognize that yes, you are a Boy Scout. They used to guide you properly. So I was up there for a couple of days, collect the badges or just know about their organization. I was just like a chap of only 17 years. That was in 67, hardly 17. So I didn't know much about the countries. Neither I was interested. Rather, I was fearing a lot to mix with people. But in USA, I didn't feel all these things. You feel free, go around about. Idaho was just a wonderful place with mountains, falls, springs, and the jamboree was held in a park. They used to call it a park, but it was just almost a sanctuary, I should say.
Yeah.
So we, Indian contingent was there. Mr. Vijayalakshmi Majumdar was our chief commissioner. She had taken
Lakshmi Majumdar.
Lakshmi Majumdar, right. Lakshmi Majumdar was the chief commissioner then. And representatives from India were there. The only thing that we were surprised was a turban. A sky blue color turban was given to us and we used to put it. But the uniform of Indian Scouts were then in khaki. We used to just put on khaki shorts and khaki half shirts. In USA, and that too in Idaho, it was such a cooling and chilling place. So everyone was running after a sleeping bag or a rug. We were provided all these things by states, as the Indian contingent was not prepared to face this kind of chill. Anyway, any question? This was
ଆପଣ
my
ମାନେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ ନିଜ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ରେ, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ।
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ, ମୋ ମାତୃଭାଷା ଓଡ଼ିଆ। ମୋ title
I have
ରାଜୁ
requested sir
ମାନେ
because there are some few people, there are few people from outside Odisha. That's why sir has spoken in.
वो हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं।
हाँ, no
problem.
problem. You can ask in Oriya, no problem.
Hmm.
Please, all of you. One fake account wants to join. I don't know who is he. He's trying many times. Oh my God, what happened?
Satyabrata Sethi, Mercy College of Natural Law, he says.
Oh. Pacharantu, Satya Babu. Satya, you want to ask any question? Oh, why is he? I want to.
You can just collect. No, ma'am. He says no, ma'am. Okay.
Any scout master, any guide captain, and IIT student, Miss Munmun. You can ask. You see,
Saraswati. Yes, I get you, Saraswati.
Avipsa Parida. And you know, his father is my college first batch student. Avipsa's father. Avipsa, तार बापा होचंदे आम मर्सी कॉलेज रो फर्स्ट बैच स्टूडेंट अभिप्सा रो मां भी गाइड कैप्टन अभिप्सा फैमिली ऑफ बेडन पावेल mama you can ask question if you want to so देखो तमे माने सब राज्य पुरस्कार परीक्षा दउछो सेता बेले राज्य पुरस्कार हमर नथिला भाई जेता बेले
ଆମ ସମୟ ନଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ମତେ ବୁଢା ବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ରାଜ୍ୟ ପୁରସ୍କାର ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ସେ ଫଟୋଟା ପଠେଇଥିଲି
yes I want to share it
Okay.
yeah, I'm having it, I'll just share it.
Priyanka wants to just ask something.
Yes, Priyanka, you can ask. And
Yes,
see, it is the year 1993 or 95.
Oh, during the Jamboree, just after the Jamboree, National Jamboree.
Oh yeah, 98. So 98. I have got the I'm standing over here. Dorasari is here. I'm very happy. I have received the National Youth Award at that time from the Rashtrapati ji, and wearing that very, very glamorously. And another photograph is also there. That is yes. This is Chintao Chetana Award, I think.
Yes.
Suradas has given. Many awards he has received. Yeah, many awards. The thing is that how much work you have done, that is more important. And you see, we want to see these photographs, right? Out of these four, where are you? First one, second one, third one? I think second one.
No, Sangram Naik is there.
Yes,
Sangram Naik on the left side of the photo, on the right side of the photo.
This is Sangram?
Sangram is there. My cousin Gorgopal Das is there. Shamsundar Nanda is there. And Hari Sahu is there. This was taken at Kalyani. Fifth All India Jamboree.
Yeah, Bombay, Mumbai.
No, that is Kalyani.
Kalyani, Bombay.
No.
Kalyani, not in Bombay.
Kalyani is in West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yeah.
I
attended 4th National Jamboree at Lucknow, 5th All India Jamboree at Kalyani, 6th All India Jamboree at Bombay.
Okay.
At Bombay, I was just already left scouting. I was almost, just as a guest, I had attended that.
So, Pilamane, Abhipsa, you want to ask any question?
Triple IT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, namaskar. Actually, I had a doubt that I need to ask you a question that how was your journey in scouting started? Was it really easy or difficult, or what would you like to say?
No, it was easy, very easy. Scouting was never difficult. Once you are in, you will enjoy it. It was a never. I mean, people used to join only for the Independence Day parade or the Republic Day parade. But we had joined in scouting not for the parades. We wanted to just, my parents wanted that I should join in scouting to make myself a comfortable, self build person in future, which I am now. I used to do everything
How?
in
Yeah,
myself.
that
Even I am
really
cooking now.
And
I
inspired.
sir,
enjoy
help the
cooking now.
people.
I
Yes,
want
And
to
Saraswati.
ask that, how was the experience of the first jamboree you have attended? Like, everyone has a very nice experience or a memorable experience when one attends a new thing. How was your experience at the first jamboree you attended?
That was in 1964. Imagine, I am
Yeah.
born in 1951. I was hardly 13. My father had to just escort
Uh,
me. Although there were many people in the journey, yet my father had just gone with me because that was the first scout rally was at Chaudhar, and I was a Cub Scout then. Odisha had Cub Scout for few years.
yeah,
Then
yeah,
after that they stopped. Then again they have started.
yeah,
So during the first
uh,
uh, scout rally, there were hardly guides, very few
yeah.
at Chaudhar. That was in 1961. So after that, that
that
was
is
my first exposure. Without even my father had gone there to Chaudhar. So he had been to Lucknow also, escorting me. Not exactly escorting, but he was giving company because he
Yeah.
was a scout himself. He wanted that I should be exposed and I should know people. So the first experience was really adventurous. It was really enjoyable.
to hear. Really, we are
Even
very excited and we enjoyed a lot through your talk about your journey. Thank you so
two,
much.
two times my parents were in dilemma. That was while I was going alone myself. I had not joined the Indian contingent. I was going on myself to
Alone.
USA
Okay.
by air. Arrangement were made by my American friend. So they were
Okay.
apprehending some kind of danger. अरे भाई ये जाऊची एकुटिया कोउटे रही जीवो कोन हबो प्लेन चेंज करि परिबो कि न करि परिबो बट arrangement was so smooth I could make it. Number one. Number two was the journeying. I mean the rambling over ordinary bicycles across India. That was another time
Wow.
when my parents were apprehending. We had a lot of problem like lightning, landsliding, robbery, and we
Yeah.
were, I mean, almost had nothing. People used to steal, but we could make it. But that has made my joints loose, totally joints and complexion. I had lost my complexion. I was very bad then, but after that cycle too, all my incoming calls are being
At that
disturbed.
time, yeah. At that
Yes.
time, you see the proficiency badges. We are having two types of proficiency badges. One is general proficiency. Another is your proficiency. That is whatever he has told you. That is cycling, scholar, scholar.
Rambler,
Yeah,
for the
rambler,
robot.
rambler. So you
But that
see,
was only 400 kilometers was required. But
yes,
I just told my friend, if you're going for 400, not 4,000, let us make it. Because all the spirit I had received from the after attending the World Jamboree. That was in '67. I got the President's Scout. I could have just got the President's Scout in 1966,
yeah,
but there was some politics, so I was pushed aside to just receive it in 1968 from
yeah,
late Dr. Zakir Hussain. So we were expecting some mishaps, but
Yeah.
nothing happened.
Yeah.
And I'm right here.
It was really a proud moment for all of us to receive the Rashtrapati Award. Nowadays, what happened, we don't know, but we are not appearing, we are not able to appearing also for the Rashtrapati guide test or scout test. You know, at that time, we don't have any, so many books and so many things. Only thing is that we are scouting habit. We make it a habit that I am a scout or I am a guide. So
Um,
whatever proficiency things are there, we have to get it by heart, and we have to show it through our hands and all those things. So you see, what is the difference between you people and Mr. Bhavani Raju sir? So one more thing I want to just add. What he deliberately says that the scouting skills help him during his career. So for that, he conclude that roving and rangering, it's a step to be follow to be an active participating citizen.
it
So you
should be
see,
made compulsory
yes, sir.
in
Yes,
schools
sir.
and colleges. Either
Yeah,
you participate in scouting,
yeah,
or in St. John Ambulance, or
yeah,
in NCC, or in sports. Either of these four fields, one
yeah.
should participate, not in raw politics.
Yes,
People are getting themselves very cheap being a
yeah,
politician. It is wise to. It, scouting will make you a thorough citizen.
yeah.
Whatever the country needs. Country needs you to be very nice, very
Yeah.
gentle, like the Japanese. Can you blame a Japanese for their
No,
loyalty to the nation? You cannot.
they are very loyal, very loyal.
Like that, we want to see the Indian youth to inculcate all these things through scouting.
Yes.
It makes you proficient in not many ways. Of course, I was also a senior officer in the NCC, which later on dragged me to join army. But
Yeah.
I tell you, NCC will sharpen your knowledge in certain disciplines,
Yeah.
but not like scouting. Scouting will make you an all-rounder
All out. Yes. Class.
and a self-made soul.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am still having the books that my American friend had given me. I
Yes.
do not know if the state headquarters is having my books. I had given 102 proficiency badges books separately.
Oh.
I am having book on Boy Scouts handbook, pioneering principles,
Oh.
then fun with ropes and scarf, and a Lord's encyclopedia on knots, which helps me. You see, I'm having a designed tile house. My house rooftop is of tile. The painter came and just told him that you need to just cement the gaps between the tiles so that we don't get rainwater. He said, sir, ଉପରକୁ କେମିତି ଚଢିବି ସାର୍ ଛାତ ଉପରକୁ ଆଉ ୟାକୁ କେମିତି ସାର୍ ସିମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବି ଟାଇଲ ଆଉ ଟାଇଲ ମଝିରେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସାର୍ କେମିତି କଲର କରିବି I use fireman's chair knot. Tied him in that. I said, now you hang on. You can go anywhere. I will simply just ମାନେ ୟୁଜ ଗୋଟେ ପୁଲି ଦୁଇଟା ମୁଁ ଲଗେଇଦେଲି ତୋତେ ମୁଁ
Yes.
ଖସିବି ତୁ ଯୋଉଠିକି ଚାହିଁବୁ ସେଠି ଖସିକି ଯୋଉଠି ଚାହିଁବୁ ପଡିବାର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠୁନାହିଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
So
ବି
nice.
ମୋର ଏଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଠି ବସିଛି ତା ସାମ୍ନାରେ ବାଲକୋନିଟି ଅଛି ମୋର ଛୋଟ 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 ଗଛ ସବୁ ସିଡଲିଂ ସବୁ କରି ବୋତଲ ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଫୋପଡା ହଉଛି ବାହାରେ ତାକୁ ଆଣି କାଟି ତାକୁ ହୋଲ କରି ମାନେ ସାଇକେଲ ସ୍ପୋକ ରେ ତାକୁ ଗରମ କରି ତାକୁ ମାନେ ହୋଲ କରିକି ନା ତା ଦେହରେ ମାଟି
Huh.
ଖତ ପୁରେଇ ସେ ସିଡଲିଂ ସବୁ ଲଗେଇ I maintain a nice rooftop
That
garden
it can.
and that I had learned from scouting only. So
Very nice.
it will make you self-sufficient and will make you peaceful, a cool citizen.
Yeah.
So that you can use your brain for
Yes.
the cause of the public or cause of the nation. Scouting is perfect, I tell you. Blindly one should join.
Yeah. Very
Okay,
nice.
Nami?
Some more question. Satish ji from Jharkhand. He is professor in commerce. Do you
Uh-huh.
have any ideas, Satish ji? You want to ask any question?
जी जी
आप
मैडम।
हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं.
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, पूछ सकते हैं. अरे मेरा छोटा भाई है.
नहीं, बहुत
हाँ.
अच्छा लगा मैडम आपका वेबिनार, है ना। हम लोग भी सोच रहे थे कि
हाँ.
हिंदी या इंग्लिश में भी कुछ बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा ये वेबिनार। और खासकर जितना भी वेबिनार में हम आपका जुड़े हुए हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और कुछ कुछ
बहुत
उड़िया
बहुत
भाषा भी
शुक्रिया,
हम
बहुत
लोग
शुक्रिया.
समझ रहे थे, है ना।
हाँ.
आपके बाद बहुत अच्छा लगा, है ना। बहुत सुंदर, बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिल रहा है हम लोग को आपके माध्यम से।
Thank you, thank you. Actually, this is the program. It is run for the Rover Rangers, and today we have already reached 49 webinar. But this is the only webinar where my children, all my Scout Guide, Rover Ranger, and unit leaders, they have got some practical experience. They have just shared acquired knowledge from Bhavani Bhai. Is every day when I have any notice, any WhatsApp message from Bhavani Bhai, I just open it because there is something to learn. ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କିଛି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ଥିବ. That may be a song from a very old people, a very ମାନେ ବଡ ମଲ୍ଲିର ଝିଅ ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଗୀତ ବୋଲୁଥିଲା, ଏତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ତା ସ୍ୱର. ତ ତାକୁ ଯୋଉ ଗୁଡେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ସେ ମତେ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତି. So ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, what is friendship in scouting? So he had been to US in the year 1967. At that time, I was only 1 year old, or exactly my date of birth is 66, so I was only 1 year old. But when I had been to US at the age of 19, same 1987, 3 person we have selected, and fortunately I am one among them, and I was so happy that being a Uriya girl, I have been selected to attend the world program, and that was the 21st century ahead, and that was the program of the Girl Scout of America, the founder. His birth anniversary, 75th birth anniversary, was sponsored by them. They have invited 75 girls from all over the world, and they have bear all the cost, and I have been selected free of cost. Only 10,000 money I have to take, but at that time dollar was on 13 rupees 25 paisa, and I have to arrange 10,000. I have no money at all, but at that time our president Bashant Kumar Prishwalji, he told my daughter will go. I don't know, my daughter will go. So this is the word, and I have tried my level best to attend. And fortunately, my dance teacher Neeraj sir, he tried his level best to learn, get me acquire about all the dances. Although I was there in 4th year of dancing dance class, 4th year, but I have not learned Pallavi and Abhinay. So I have taken 2 months, 3 months rigorous journey in dancing, and I could learn dancing, and I have performed there Pallavi and Abhinay, and it was highly appreciated there. And while coming back, at that time our director was one of the Bengali ma'am, Bina Chakravarti ma'am. She got all news beforehand. When I performed any activities, on the same day night, she got a letter that your guide has performed nice, wonderful, everything. So all this praise, I mean, प्रशंसा के लिए तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन मेरा जो एक कुछ बन के दिखाना है और कुछ करके दिखाना है, it was my ambition and I achieved it. Being a Odia girl, I am also not in well versed in all the language, or not in also in English. English was just our second language. My mother language is Oriya, but I tried my level best. So we did it. So my request, my humble request to all of you, don't forget scouting or guiding skills. It will help you in each and every moment. And nowadays, I have attended 3 to 4 jamborees, no, World Jamboree. In the last World Jamboree, after 30 years, again I got a chance to visit USA in the year 2019. I can't believe. Those who are laborious, they will be rewarded definitely. It is my belief. So when I had been to US as a not only as a participant but also as a staff member in one of the sub camp, where the leader was a commissioner of USA, and I have been chosen as a staff member there. So out of 20 members, I was one of the Indian to be selected as staff member. So I was so happy. And when I came back, to whom I should share, I share it with Bhavani Bhai, because I know who will value it. Nobody is there to value me, because
Yes.
some people
That
will
was
say,
24th World Jamboree.
yes. So it was really a remarkable year for me. After that, only after 5 months or 6 months, we have got corona and all these things. So मैं भूल जाऊंगी स्काउटिंग को, और मेरे छोटे भाई बहनों वो भूल जाएंगे स्काउटिंग को, इसलिए मैं निरंतर लगा रहा हूं इसी प्रोग्राम में, वेबिनार में, so that every day morning I thought what should be my program, so that my student, my friends, my brother and sister will be connected with me. And I pray Lord Jagannath, because once there are 2 points to be a scout country. One is they have to believe in God. Unless otherwise they will not believe in God, there will be no scouting. In Russia, when it was USSR, Union Social Service, उसी टाइम उधर scouting नहीं था, क्योंकि they didn't believe in God. So those country who believe in God, they have scouting. So this is one small thing which make us a beautiful person in your future. So what is rightly told by Bhavani Bhai, yes, this is a step to be an active and participating citizen. We are already a citizen, and we will be. I know you will be a citizen, but you have to be an active citizen, and you have to be a participating citizen. That's why this is the webinar, where I think this is the best webinar among all the webinars, where you have learned some practical things. You see how rooftop garden is being maintained by a 70 years old person. He is not interested for any politics. He can, but he would not. Similarly, all my dear students, all my dear participants, you please go through the book Scouting for Boys, which is written by Baden-Powell in 1908, and that was the book which spread over the world the scouting. Not only a person, nothing, nobody else has taken scouting. It is only the book which spread scouting all over the world. So I have got a small chance also to visit in 2015 to Japan. In that jamboree, due to some lacuna in my national headquarters, I could not join as a neither as a participant inside, but I joined as a visitor. I spent money from my pocket, and I have retained there for 15 days in hotels, and I have attended the jamboree because I liked jamboree. I liked World Jamboree, and I am having a long day back to see Japan. I know, being an economics lecturer, I was very much interested to see what is Japan, how it is, what is the economic pattern, how the things are going on in Japan. So I got a chance. I prayed Lord Jagannath many times, just give me a chance to see Japan, and I got it. So once you surrender before God, you'll get everything. And we have also experienced this in this webinar where we are only 10 people and we have collected 30, 35, and 50 people because all are being engaged somewhere. But due to the call of the God inside you, that get us some more people because we call God. We have just asked God, please be with us. And we have successful in our motive. So now I know, Avisha, any more question? Why you raise a hand?
मैम हेलो
Yes.
मैम
Yes, बोलो बोलो बोलो.
मैम आप हमें कभी क्लास में इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम के बारे में जापान की इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम के बारे में बताएंगे, कभी डिस्कस करेंगे, हमें भी
Sure,
थोड़ा जानने
sure.
के मिलेगा.
Okay, Saraswati, I know you are very experienced person, although you are a very small girl of 16 plus 2 first year, second year, but she is very strong enough. So do you like to say something, Saraswati? You ask anything? Would you like, Saraswati?
नो मैम, नॉट
अरे
टुडे.
अरे टुडे नहीं तो भवानी भाई को कब मिलोगे?
अरे
पूछ सकते हो.
जब चाहोगे. Whenever you require, you give me 1 hour time, I'll be there. I
ओके
never say no to scouting. Never.
ओके सर, आई
Uh,
विल
People have
मीट
just
यू.
taken, people have taken many more advantages while I was in service.
yeah.
There was a time when I used to control the city traffic here in
Yes.
Bhubaneswar.
Yes. And
But
we'll
once,
have a traffic program from you. All
yes,
that quiz. We have prepared a very nice quiz for the all DDK Bhubaneswar, and
mm,
we'll have a traffic when we'll have the traffic week on that day. I'll request Bhai to come with us so that we'll learn about the traffic all the symbols and how it operates and all these things. Okay.
basic.
Yeah, basics of traffic. Very nice.
Till midnight, I used to paint the stop lines.
Yeah.
There was no stop line,
Previous.
pedestrian crossing, even
Yeah.
the signaling light, nothing was there.
Yeah.
During my
Period.
regime,
Yeah.
I started all these things myself. The then chief ministers used to pass or any VIP used to go across, but I
Yeah.
used to stick to my duty. I used
Yes.
to complete it till midnight or even after midnight, then come home for dinner. But I was thinking, you see, in each and every work, you take the
Yeah.
joy out of it.
Yes.
I advise each one of you that take the positive side.
Yes.
Never look into the negative side. You will enjoy it. You read regularly on first aid. That will
Yes.
help you
Yeah.
like anything. You read anything on how to improvise things with minimal items or objects at hand. You can just make anything. Never waste anything.
Yes.
I have learned all these things from scouting. So that will make lot many people to depend on you. They will look at you. Oh, he's making wonders. I was never an engineer, especially a traffic engineer, but I was the fellow who had written a compendium on the traffic engineering system prevailing and the future plan, which an PDA, BMC, CDA had blindly accepted. And till now, they have not completed to my proposals, which I
Standard.
had submitted to the government, have
Given.
not been cleared so far.
Yeah.
So I take the credit. I get the satisfaction out of it. So never think of any awards, rewards,
Yeah.
or outgoing, ingoing, nothing. You have the culture in you. Read wildly, I should say. Widely you go on read. Now the net is there. You can just touch the button of your cell phone and know things, whatever you want to know. You be in touch with those things for the service of others. This is my request. And that will keep you happy and smiling all the time.
Yes.
When you do service to others, it will make you happy. You get the satisfaction. Let there not be any return. Never think of the return.
Yeah.
Okay, it was a nice webinar, Namita. I
Yes,
should
yes.
thank you.
I'll
Um,
just ask my
thank-
Rover Scout leader. He is Mr. Manoj Kumar Mansingh, a man of Khordha, but he is very
Mansingh?
sincere. Yeah,
Where
Manoj
he is
Kumar
from?
Mansingh.
Where he is
He
from?
is from Maharshi College and he is residing at Khordha, Kuhudi.
No, no. ଘର କୋଉଠି?
ଘର ଏଇ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ବଟ ତାଙ୍କ ଗାଁ ହଉଛି କୁହୁଡି
କୁହୁଡି।
ଆମ ହଁ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା। ଏତେ ଏତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସାର୍ ଜଣେ ତାଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଏତେ ସିନସିୟର ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଇନୋସେଣ୍ଟ ଏବଂ ସ୍କାଉଟିଂ ରେ ଯୋଉ ଦିନଠୁ ସେ ଜଏନ କଲେଣି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେବେ ଦେଖିନି କୌଣସି କାମରେ ମୋ ପଛକୁ ହଟିଯିବା। ମୋ ପଛରେ ଯଦି କିଏ ଜଣେ ଥାଏ ସେ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ରୋଭର ସ୍କାଉଟ ଲିଡର ଇଜ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମନୋଜ କୁମାର ମାନସିଂହ। ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କାଉଟ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ଅଛି ସେ ନିଜେ ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ଚଲେଇକି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ। ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ବସନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ନେଇଯିବି, ବସନ୍ତୁ ଏ କାମଟା ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି। ସୋ ନାଇସ୍ ଅଫ ହିମ୍। ଆର ବର୍ଷ 22-23 ରିଟାୟାର କରିବେ ତ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ସାଙ୍ଗ ଗୋଟେ ହରେଇବି କିନ୍ତୁ ମାନେ ସେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ। ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ବିଲିଭ ସଚ୍ ଏ ପର୍ସନ।
ଦେବେନ୍ଦ୍ର ବାବୁଙ୍କ ରିଲେସନ ନୁହନ୍ତି ତ?
ନା ନା
ଦେବେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମାନସିଂହ
ନା ଏତେ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର। ସୋ ଆମ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମୁଁ ସ୍କାଉଟିଂ ରୁ ଶିଖିଛି, ପାଡେଲ ୟୁର ଓନ୍ କ୍ୟାନୋଇ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡିଂ ଟା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଆମର ସ୍କାଉଟିଂ ଫର ବଏଜ ର ଗୋଟିଏ ଶବ୍ଦ। ପିଲାମାନେ 4ଟି ଶବ୍ଦ ମିଶି ଗୋଟିଏ ଲାଇନ, ପ୍ୟାଡଲ ୟୁର ଓନ୍ କ୍ୟାନୋଇ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ୱାର୍ଡିଂ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆଜି ଏଇଥିରେ କନକ୍ଲୁଡ କରିବା। ଏଇଥିରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ପଦ ଖାଲି ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ, ଏ ଗାଇଡ ଇଜ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟworthy, ଏ ସ୍କାଉଟ ଇଜ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟworthy। ସୋ ମାଇ ଅନର ଇଜ ଟୁ ବି ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟେଡ। ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ତାହା ହଉଛି ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ମତେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ ଭାବରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବେ। ମତେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ନ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ତ ସ୍କାଉଟ ନୁହେଁ, ଆପଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ସ୍କାଉଟ ନୁହନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ତା ପ୍ରମାଣ କରିଦେଇ ପାରିବି। So this much of confidence you have to build up and self-esteem. So जो दुईटी जाक मु देखिछि भवानी भाईଙ୍କର ଆଜି ସେ ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପହଞ୍ଚି छंती। आउरी आपनक पाखरे बहुत जिंस अछि। वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड फ्रॉम कश्मीर, नाइमा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिश्नर गाइड from Srinagar, she joined. She is very active and she almost attended all my webinar. Naima ji, you are late, although I'll speak you later on. Namaste, good evening, Naima ji. So one thing I just want to tell you, the number may be very few, it may be 4, maybe 6, but it is a petrol. Similarly, the number may be very less, maybe 24, maybe 32. It is a team or it is a crew, and we have to work as a group, as a family. So when I thought that I am doing my webinar means all the members are my team members. So this is just whatever things I have got, I have to share it. So when I'll share it, it will be double and triple. जदि मु शेयर न करिबि सेटा मो भितरे मरि जिवो। So you should always try to rely on yourself and not on what others can do for you. मते सारा जी नै कि पहुंचे देबे मु ताले जिबि नो, मोर कामटा मते करिबा को अछि। सो टार्गेट फिक्स अप करंतु। टार्गेट रे आमे जेतेबेले हमर एम बा ऑब्जेक्टिव रखिचे एठी पहुंचीबा, लक्ष्य स्थल रे पहुंचीबा, सो टार्गेट शुड बी फिक्स्ड अप। जे कोनसी काम करंतु आपण जदि टार्गेट फिक्स अप करिसंती एवं प्रत्येकटी टार्गेट पाए किछि वर्क एक्सपीरियंस अछि ताहले आपण सेठी पहुंची परिबे। आज देखंतु आमे काली भाईଙ୍କ सहित कथा आइतिली, मोर किछि प्लानिंग नथिला, बट मु भाबुथिली जे इंडिपेंडेंट जे पूर्वरु मु पिला मानक सहित एपरि एको इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रीडम फ्री लोक फ्रीडम नाही भावे पाखरे सब बेले फ्रीडम अच्छी सेमिति लोक को मु डाकिबी एवं आज कौन सी आमर समय नहीं किछि नहीं आम सब भूली जाइछु आज आमे भाईचु आम पाखरे भवानी भाई को आगामी दिन में निश्चित शुणिबा तांको ठारू तांको समय रे वेरी स्केर्स रोवरिंग एंड रेंजरिंग very scarce in number, that is 4 girls, they have attended the World Scout Jamboree in Australia, I think. Balli Rao, Mrs. Dr. Sangamitra madam, Balli Rao madam is doctor, I think.
No.
हाँ, नहीं?
Dr. Sangamitra,
Oh,
she into lecturer by profession.
by profession, right?
And professor.
Okay, so we'll listen from them, and I'm trying. This is the first webinar. What we'll want to say, what are the steps? This is the first step. Second day, we'll request one of the past President Scout Guide, those who have succeeded in their life, like one is there, Mr. Asim Mahanti. I can request him. He has already retired chief engineer, but how scouting skills help him to reach a top. And if I'll got some more persons, I'll get in touch with Bhavani Bhai, and I'll let you know very soon. And those persons,
I cite Mr. Santosh Mahapatro, IAS.
Yeah. Okay.
Vijay Naik, Retired Chief Secretary.
Yeah. Vijay?
Vijay Patnaik.
Yes, yes.
He was also in scouting.
Oh, I see. Oh, I can request him. I know him. I know him personally. I know him personally.
Many people.
Yeah. So we'll request him. You see, he is an IAS officer, but how scouting skill help him? So when Abhip sir joined the program, his father was very much worried. Madam, उनका एग्जाम उन्हें उनका that test है, GRE exam है, all that things. I just simply say, you ask him to join for few minutes, because I know what is her caliber. She can succeed in life, but his father is not a scout. So he was worried. So don't think that when we attend any webinar, any scout activities, every time you will get something to learn. And I'm here to just help you, to just guide you. And it is the Lord who will bless you, and He will give you some points, some more knowledge, which will help you in future. So never worry that your time is spoiled in scouting. So this is my honest request. Now over to Pranati madam. Do you want to say anything? She is a jack. She is a jack in all. She has attended 200 webinars of scouting. All the webinars of national headquarters, all the webinars of regional headquarters, she has attended single-handedly, doing all office work. She is a teacher from DAB public school from Jharsuguda, Bandbahal. So I'm really happy to get such persons with me. And bhai, you know, all these girls, all these boys, look, starting from Lala Ananta Kumar Singh, he is a man from Puri, associated with St. John Ambulance, and associated with many organizations. Madhusmita associated with St. John, but all of them, they joined together with us, and we have built up a team. And this team will definitely cross the globe. We'll try to invite some people from international sphere of scouting. Just last month, they have their election, and one of the fellow, I have subscribed to their magazine. So that Scout Wear is the magazine of USA. So I have gone through that. So I have already requested him. I wish him, and if possible, I'll invite few of them if time permits. And nowadays there are so many, I mean, I can't say, but I have to tackle that, because once you are having some friends in USA, means you can call upon them. But nowadays there are some restrictions to invite the outside people, unless otherwise you took permission from the state headquarters, from the national headquarters on Palana and Palana. So if I'll get permission and get time, I'll invite, and you'll see how they are doing scouting. They are माने बहुत धनी व्यक्ति है, ऐसा नहीं है हमारे जैसा बहुत पोर है, I mean, we are very less resources, but you'll see those person, they have capable of doing world jamboree. Few people, they if they will join hands, they'll do the jamboree. And but how they are doing because of their mentality. Sure, next time we'll listen so many things from you. We'll invite Bhavani Bhai also next time for during the traffic observation days, week observation. Now I request Manoj Kumar Mansingh sir to extend a heartfelt thanks from all of us. Over to Manoj sir. Manoj Kumar Mansingh sir.
Respected Bhavani Kumar Raju sir, he has given basic valuable speech here regarding scouting and how to be a active citizen in society, how to lead a happy life in society through the scouting. I think he is not a man of 70, he is a man of 18 as per his speech. ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଏତେ ଲାଇକିଂ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ବି ଭାବି ପାରିଲିନି ଯେ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ପୁରା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଣ୍ଟ ଥିବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବୋଧେ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ରେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ମୁଗ୍ଧ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବେ। ମାନେ ଏତେ କଥା କହିଛନ୍ତି କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ମଣିଷ ହେବ, ସ୍କାଉଟିଂରେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଭଲ ଆକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ସିଟିଜନ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ, ଆମେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ହାପି ଲାଇଫ୍ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିପାରିବା, ସବୁକିଛି ଆମେ ଏ ସ୍କାଉଟିଂରୁ ଶିଖିପାରିବା। ଏବଂ ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଫରେନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଜାମ୍ବେରୀ ଏଇଗୁଡ଼ାକ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି, ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଜିନିଷ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଏଠି ଦେଲେ ସେଇଟା ବୋଧେ ଏଇଟା ହେବ ଭଲ ୱେବିନାର, ସବୁ ୱେବିନାର ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଆମର
Yes.
ସ୍କାଉଟ୍ ଗାଇଡ଼ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁକା। ତେଣୁ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଇକି ଆମେ ସନ୍ତୁଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିପାରୁନି। ତେଣୁ ଏତିକି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅନ୍ ବିହାଫ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ I extend my hearty thanks for his valuable speech and for a valuable expansion of his time here. His valuable speech I can't forget. And then I thanks to State Commissioner Bharat Scout and Guide, Dr. Namita Patnaik, who has given lots of time, who has given so many times for the scouting and scout. ତାଙ୍କର ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ଲାଇଫ୍ ହି ହାଜ୍ ବର୍ବାଦ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଯେତିକି ଜାଣିଛି, ହି ହାଜ୍ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ମେନି ଟାଇମ୍ସ ଫର୍ ଭାରତ ସ୍କାଉଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗାଇଡ୍, ବଟ୍ ହି ଗେନ୍ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ। God is there to help her, and she is now struggling for her life, and I thanks her to organizing such type of seminar, and this seminar reached up to 49th seminar. And he in a single hand he is managing all, and all the participants, those who are participating in webinar regularly from outside of the state and within the state, we are extend my hearty thanks for our college, Rover and Rangers unity, and thanks to all. ଏତିକି କହି ମୁଁ ବିଦାୟ ନେଉଛି ଏବଂ ଭଗବାନ ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛି ଏବଂ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ମଙ୍ଗଳ ହଉ ଏବଂ ଭବାନୀ ସାର୍ ଆଉ କେବେ ବି ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଦେଖା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ଏତିକି କହି ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ସାଙ୍ଗ କରୁଛି। ଜୟ ହିନ୍ଦ।
Thank you, sir, from students.
ସାର୍
Thank
ଗୋଟେ
you,
ଜିନିଷ
thank you.
କହିବି, ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଭିଡିଓ ଅନ୍ କରିବା ଆଉ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଯିବା ବେଳେ ଆମର ଯେମିତି ଅଛି ସାଲ୍ୟୁଟ ଦବା ଏବଂ ଗୋଟେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇବା। We'll have a group photo. Okay. ସମସ୍ତେ ଟିକେ ଭିଡିଓ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଅନ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ, all of you. Madhusmita, all of you requested to open your, unmute your video. Nimesh sir, Mohan, Vanaja ma'am, yes. Loknath sir, Maitri, all of you, yes. I'll take a photo, then we'll have salute. Baisakhi, Chandramani, Viranjit sir, Susri, yes, all of us. Yes, 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 very good. Last, Kritish, Prajakta, Ronak. Take the photo, please. Very nice
Thank
photo.
you.
And now, Abhinav, Sadhan. Salute. Thank you, Bhavani Bhai.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
I'll
so
be
much.
with you
Yes.
whenever you call me.
Yes,
I'll
good
be
night.
with you. Bye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice meeting. Wonderful.
Thank you. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
there is an announcement, sir, to offer all of us. Let me stop the recording, then I'll announce for